Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. This is my Craftsman 16.5 Kohler engine, 42 wide cut lawn tractor that I got through a trade with Long Island Synthetics over in St. James. Anyway, it's a nice tractor, man. Carb's been cleaned and it runs fantastic. The only thing that this thing didn't have when I got it was the belt for the mower deck. So I went on eBay and my new mower deck belt came. Brand new. And you ready for this? This was $8. $8, man. That's cheap. So I looked up the diagram online and stuff like that. It was kind of difficult to ascertain exactly which deck I have, you know, but just looking at the two main spindles. It's a two-blade deck, obviously. The two main spindles, and I count there is only two pulleys on the deck, plus the main pulley attached to the drive shaft, right? So, basically, I think it's pretty straightforward. I mean, that is, if I'm correct. Main spindle, the two main spindles here, we're going to route that. I'm going to try to do this without taking the deck off, because taking the deck off is a pain in the ass in itself, you know. So I'm just gonna run this over to that other spindle and then put it through that pulley and this pulley and have it routed over there, and I'm gonna see if that works. So in all this spaghetti, I have ascertained that it is impossible to do it without disconnecting some parts of the deck. Routing it, and then basically there are a couple of brackets in there that have these cotter pins. I know you can't see, I'm sorry. There's one right there. That attaches to the top, and for you to even get the belt in there, you gotta take off one or two connections just to get the belt to go around to the pulley. It's a pain for sure, but looks like I'm kind of halfway there. So basically I have to take the pin off of there, and I have to unscrew this thing because the belt has to be over that. Okay, just took off this nut. This nut over here. You see, yeah, that nut there. That pin, I know it's dark, sorry. And now, this thing dropped. Right? Now I'm just going to put the rope through it. See? And then this goes right around the main pulley. I think that's it. I think, I'm not sure. Nope, I didn't have it right. Aha, I had it upside down. It's like this. There you go. I don't know, it seems really loose, man. I don't think I got it right. So, methinks I bought the wrong belt. It has way too much slack. This is with it already PTO'd, you know, it's engaged right now, and I've got like lots of slack. This will just slide right off, you know. You know, I never checked the model number of this thing before I bought it. Oh boy. So I think I have 5 inches too much. So it goes around this pulley. Goes all the way to the other spindle. Okay, so this spindle to the other spindle with the two pulleys in between. And then the main drive shaft pulley. So I've got too much slack. This much. Like 5 or 6 inches too much. And this is with it engaged. So, I don't know. So, obviously I'm not going to be able to get this done today. I'm going to have to order another belt. But first, I'm going to do some research and find out where the belt is. And I have to look for the model number. There it is. I hope that's it. God. I don't know. Is it supposed to be on there? You know what I'm saying? Why is it on this accessory? I don't know if that's it. That's probably it. That's the bagger, though. You know what I mean? Aha! That's the model number. So dirty. Alright, well, I'm going to go see what's up with this. So today I got my new belt. The one I ordered before, as you guys know, it was wrong one. It was too long. It was about 5 or 6 inches too long. So I ordered a 1/2 inch by 95 and an 1/8 or something like that is what the spec said. I needed actually a 1/2 inch by 88.5, which is this one. This one was $7.50. Seriously, I mean, super cheap, man. I sold the wrong one on my eBay account. Got my money back, but I had to spend like $3 for shipping. So, you know, you lose $3 or $4, something like that, because of a mistake that you made. I'm okay with that, you know. And I ordered this at the same time, so this one came fast, like 4 days. Anyway, so I'm gonna route it the same way I did before and give it a whirl. So I think I've got it all sorted out. Got to connect 2 more areas, but it makes sense. I didn't look at any diagrams or anything, but given the way the pulleys are, it just, you know, if it makes sense, that's the way it is. It's all the way down. I just got to figure out what I disconnected last time. So I got it all tightened up and buttoned up, and cotter pins are in there. It was only 3 points that I had to route the things through, you know. I'm a little concerned about this part here. See, because when I engage it, I'm going to engage it now. This doesn't really, oh, it released. Okay. Before it didn't release. It's supposed to go like that, see? And when I disengage it, it goes back down. But it does go off, so it doesn't touch, which is good. But it should be more like that. Oh well. I'll give it a try now. So the belts, they don't rub or anything. But the problem is, though, it's moving. The belts are moving. It's not engaged. So I think the belts are too tight is what it is. Or maybe I have to adjust the pulley or something. But it's at low throttle right now. Now it's moving. I'll engage. Spinning nicely, but maybe the belts have to stretch a little bit because they're so new. I don't know. I might have to do some research on it. Maybe I might have to loosen a pulley or something. But anyway, it was pretty easy actually, you know. Just a couple of points under the deck that you had to remove. But changing a deck belt, it's not the most glamorous thing to do in the world, but sometimes it just has to be done, you know what I mean? And don't go and spend a whole lot of money on those belts. As you saw, the two belts that I got, one was wrong, one was, I think, right, you know? It's less than $8 on eBay. Anyway, man, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.